It's an ugly day today, broskies. So I heard a ricer fly by my house. I peek out my window and look who it is. Ah, Shingo. Ah, Shingo. El compa Herbie in the house. ¿Eres tú, güey? ¿Eres tú?
Sí.
¿Eres tú, Herbie?
Soy yo, the one and only.
Es un milagro, güey. Andas por estos rumbos perdido.
Ya sabes, vengo que me des de comer.
Cállate, güey. Cállate a los frijolitos.
Time to feed me.
What do you think of the new Z?
Nice, güey. I don't know about that bumper.
I'm gonna sell it already.
Oh, you
I
are?
have the stock one already.
Can't believe somebody took the time to create this garbage. You got it at the auction?
No, güey, es el del pinche Alfonso, güey.
Oh, yeah? Órale.
Pinche gordo ya no lo quiso. He's like, just keep it, güey. I was like, fuck it.
No way, really?
Yeah.
No es porque no le quise dar un kit.
Neta? Did he ask you for a kit?
Yeah, he's like, hey, give me a kit. And I was like, you don't even have a car for it? And he's like, look it. And I'm like, that's just trash. Wait, was this one?
Yeah. Hey, güey, I need a kit.
Ya sabes, güey, ahí están.
Chingo.
Ta 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 ta. Somebody ordered a G kit.
G kit. That was a subscriber too, eh?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yee, shout out.
Don't forget to use that.
That promo code. Hand delivered by me, the one and only.
The Juan.
The Juan and only. Look, I even drove it here.
Chingo, in the Z, güey.
With my unregistered Z.
Oh shit. 2009 Nissan.
Yeah, but all that matters is this. Look at.
Oh.
Hello. That means coronavirus. Stay away.
Alright, so for those of you that don't know, this is Alfonso's old car. He basically said, Philly, just fucking sell it, fix it, do whatever you want, and just give me a certain amount of money. So I was like, fuck it, cool, bring it. He brought it. I got rid of the wing. I don't know if you guys remember, it had an ugly ass wing. I sold that shit yesterday, and then I'm gonna get rid of that bumper probably this weekend. I have the fender, I just gotta paint it, and then I also have a stock bumper already, but I gotta paint it. So this car had this ugly ass bumper, check it out. And we're looking at it. This thing weighs like 40 pounds. It's heavy. And then we looked under, and then it says KBD. You know, it tiene una big ass plate over here too.
Oh yeah, it has a plate under it.
Yeah. So me and Harvey are like, fuck it, let's test it out, you know, let's see how their product works. And we're gonna run it over with the truck. We're gonna run it over with my truck, and then see if it'll take the hit. Ready to do this shit?
Yep. Let's go.
Sácala.
Saca la bolsita. Saca la bolsita. Cut it for me.
Espérate. Let me get the truck ready. Let me bring the truck that way. Y luego lo pones en medio, güey. A ver qué pasa.
All right.
Let me get my keys.
What are you gonna do with the plate? Yeah. Fool. I don't have to worry because it's KBD. This shit's indestructible. This is a paid programming, bro. This was a paid programming, bro.
This is why you should buy KBD. The most reliable.
You can use it as a trampoline. Yeah. You don't need to buy your kids a trampoline because you already got a KBD bumper. You can use it as a gym because they're heavy as shit, and that's why they're indestructible.
KBD Fitness.
Alright, see that big ass monster? We're about to do the ultimate test on this KBD madness. But first, I'm just gonna. Oh shit. Don't buy it for your kids. I was wrong. It's not a good trampoline for them.
Throw that shit on the road.
Alright. What you're gonna do is we're gonna put this on the side of the road for that Optima coming over there. Just kidding.
That shit's not gonna fuck up his shit with the plate. Huh?
Huh?
It's not gonna fuck up his shit with the plate.
I don't think so. The screws are pointed down.
Let me see.
Nah. They're not screws, they're rivets.
Oh, okay.
The screws are pointed down.
Let me see.
Nah. They're not screws, they're rivets.
Oh, okay. Go.
Alright. Here you go. Holy fuck. Oh, I brought back. Oh. Alright.
That shit's good, bro. It just took off the paint.
Yeah, just the paint came off. And that's due to bad adhesion, or cheap paint. But other than that, you could still slap this bitch back on your 350Z and go for another Apex. Yeah! Oh. Just do weight reduction on the rest of your car because this bumper's gonna fuck you up.
You're gonna survive right now.
Bro, it's good. It just took off a shitload of paint, but it's good. It's the same way it used to be.
No, right, nothing?
The only thing that came off was the paint.
Oh,
Like a lot of paint came off, but it's straight.
Crazy.
Hey, wait. Not sponsored by KBD, but this shit fucking works.
This was a paid programming by KBD Industries. Get yours today.
Use my promo code. Not sponsored though. That was wild.
Yeah.
KBD put in work.
Bye, cuties.
Bye, bye, Zaddy.
Hey, ¿sí quema esta madre o no, güey?
¿Y qué más, güey? ¿Te enseño?
Aceite, güey. A ver. Que su madre. Shit. Crazy.